So guys, the other day I'm in my workshop and I'm doing some sanding over on my table over here, and this particular hose section here is open on the end. I used to have a cap for it and I lost it. So I was losing like a ton of suction from this. So what I did, so I didn't want to go to Rockler's, you know, I didn't want to wait and order it online. I needed something right away. Duct tape didn't work. I took a 13-ounce coffee can. This is an old Folgers coffee can. And I just fit right in there like that and done. Blocked. So now all the suction goes to the other thing. You know, I'll probably end up putting a blast gate on this, but right now this works. You know, there's another thing you can do with this coffee can is you can cut the bottom of it out and you can use it, stick it out about halfway like it is here, and you can use it as a coupling, and you can join two longer hoses together if you don't, you know, in a pinch, if you need a coupling and you don't have one of the plastic Rockler ones or ones online. Guys, I hope this helps. Have fun in the shop. Take care.